Okay, everybody. Time for another Q&A video. I am thankfully now with a fully operational backup computer, so things should go much more smoothly over here. In the case of another computer crash, I've got this computer fully working, and also I've got a secondary backup computer that's able to come online very quickly as well. And I apologize once again if you hear any construction noises in the background. It's just a gorgeous day here in Arizona, so I've got my office window open, and unfortunately they're building a couple of houses right down the street. So every once in a while you may hear a truck trundling by in the background. But let's just go ahead and dive in. Mac, I'm just in the process of preparing for the upcoming Consumer Confidence Report. Have been reading the 3 raids, and the release time for this report is 10 a.m. Eastern. However, when I check the Insider Code website event calendar, the release time for this report is 2 p.m. Eastern. That was a typo, and I apologize for that, Tim. The staff member that does that, I've made it very clear that we've got to be razor sharp with those different time frames. And just so you know, I've got one of my staff actually enters in the raw numbers. So you'll have the date, the time, the indicator, and then usually the forecast, and then I'll come in and insert the buy, sell, what pair, and the target that I'm looking for that particular trade. That's why you'll see that there's oftentimes the spreadsheet is there, but not the data. That'll come in later. Okay, and next question: can you please tell me when the winners of the trading contest will be announced, when the prizes will be given out? Thank you in advance, Joseph. Actually, Joseph, we are having a difficulty getting people to actually let us know, okay, that they've won. So here's what I want you to do, and I'll send out an email to this as well. I want you to send an email to my email address. That's mac.x@theinsidercode.com if your username is on the list of final results. Okay, so if you log into the members area, hopefully you saw the members area when you're actually watching this video. And if your name is on, I think I'm awarding prizes down to the top 12. Whatever it says in the rules, I'll have to look at. But if you're a winner, let us know. Send us your username, your login and password, so we can get in there and verify that it's actually you. And then once we've verified that it's you, we'll get your address and whatnot, so we can start distributing these prizes. But really, we've just had a heck of a time getting people to actually come in and tell us that they've won. How are things moving along on an expert advisor for MetaTrader? Actually, my friend Stan, I was joking when I recorded that video and I mentioned his name a couple of times. Stan is actually a really great guy. He's an excellent trader too, but he and I have been sort of going back and forth as I'm developing this software, and we've been sharing ideas, and the guy's a remarkable I want to say coder, even though he says he's not a programmer, but he's remarkable. So he got the thing up and running. I just have to put it up into the members area with some instructions in order to save it. And what I'll do is just record a video so you'll know exactly where to put it, and then so you'll be able to load it onto your MetaTrader charts. Next up, Mac, I don't know if it's just my account or if you are mistaken. In my Interbank FX mini account, 1 micro lot is 0.01, not 0.1, i.e. the micro is not 10% of a mini, but rather 1%. Therefore, it would take 100 micro lots to equate to 1 mini. Now, I could be mistaken there. Let me go. You can see here I don't have. I still have to set up my MetaTrader. Bear with me here. Trading by limit.